Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. So Infinix made a significant impact last year with its budget-friendly Xpad tablet, and now it continues the brilliant legacy by unveiling the Infinix Xpad GT. Designed for the gaming and streaming enthusiasts, the GT iteration promises an exceptional visual and auditory experience, making it a formidable option in the mid-range tablet market. At the heart of this device lies a stunning 13.0-inch LCD screen that boasts an impressive resolution of 2880 by 1840 pixels. With a remarkable 10-bit color depth and a silky smooth 144Hz refresh rate, every visual detail comes to life. HDR10 support elevates the viewing experience, ensuring vibrant colors and rich contrasts that are perfect for gaming marathons or binge watching your favorite shows. Powering the Xpad GT is the beastly Snapdragon 888 chip paired with a generous 8GB of RAM. This state-of-the-art chipset ensures lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking, allowing users to handle demanding games and heavy streaming effortlessly. However, the absence of a cellular option may limit its appeal for those who require connectivity on the go. Nonetheless, the tablet more than compensates with its media capabilities. Audio aficionados will appreciate the 8 speakers that surround the device, filling any space with immersive sound. Whether you're playing your favorite games or enjoying the latest blockbuster, the audio experience is a key highlight of the Infinix Xpad GT. The 13MP rear camera, complete with an LED flash, adds extra versatility, capturing precious moments whenever needed. The tablet is powered by a massive 10,000 mAh battery, boasting an impressive 33W charging capability. This ensures that the fun doesn't have to stop for long, keeping the device charged up for extended periods. Inside the thick paper box along with the tablet, users will find a 33W charger, a USB cable and a book cover that serves dual purposes as both a protective case and a convenient tablet stand. Infinix also provides a pair of wired earphones with a USB-C connection, ensuring that users can begin their multimedia experience immediately. Though the tablet is equipped with FM radio capabilities, the absence of a pre-installed FM radio app limits the testing of this feature. The inclusion of a USB-C to 5mm adapter showcases Infinix's attention to detail and user convenience. Infinix Xpad GT stands out as a powerful option for anyone seeking a balance of performance and affordability in the tablet world. That is it guys, let me know in the comments below. And if you are new here, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace out.